Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwividiyo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela-ke singene kwividiyo namuhla. Ngabe i-MK Party ngesikhathi ine-press briefing ngeviki eliphelile besazisa ukuthi uFloyd Shivambu akaseze ukuba uyi-Secretary General kodwa uzothunyelwa ePhalamende. Ngabe i-MK Party ngalelo langa lelo beyisiqambe lamanga na noma isitshelanga iqiniso ngalelo langa na? Kubantu abangama-members omkhonto wesizwe party bangixolele. Kufanele-ke sikhulume ngalezi zinto ezinye abathandi ukuzizwa, kodwa-ke ayikho into esoyenza. Funeka sizikhulume zinjengoba zinjalo. I-MK Party isethembisile ngeviki eliphelile. Umbuzo enginawo uthi ngabe i-MK Party ngaleli yalanga beyikhuluma nabezindaba, angazi noma beyikhohlwela ukuthi ukukhuluma nabezindaba usukhuluma nezwe lonke, beyisiqambela amanga na? Uma ngabe beyisiqambela amanga, same party expect ukuthi abantu funeka bayithembe. Angisho ukuthini kodwa ngiyabuza. Kune-article ebhalwe i-IOL la sizoyibheka. Kunevideo engiyibonile ka Mary Pardee, sizoyicaphuna amabili amavideo wakhe. Kodwa umbuzo enginawo ukuthi ngabe i-MK Party ibesiqambela amanga na? uFloyd Shivambu ushilo wathi yena ujoin MK Party hayi ukuthi abe sesikhundleni noma ikuphi la, noma ngaso sesikhundleni uzoqhubeka abe yimember ye-MK Party, ngeke aresign. Usitshelile lokho. Kodwa ngabe uFloyd Shivambu beyazi yonke lenkinga eyenzekayo na? Le strategy abantu abasitshela ngaso ukuthi uJacob Zuma is a chess master kunento ayenzayo, siphuma kunje. Emavikini adlule uBreakdown wasitshela ukuthi kukhulu liyeza liyanyelela, uMfeka uzoba uSecretary General. Emavikini adlule kuthe kusadlule lawo maviki lesisayibukile nje indaba yakhe singakazi noma siyithembe noma singayethembi, kwavela uMary Pardee wathi ngeviki elilandelayo, wayisho ngomhla ka-28, wathi next week kukhona esokuzwa. Ngempela lithe malifika ivili leyo sazi ukuthi uFloyd Shivambu sekasusiwe Secretary General. Kuseseyiyo i-chess leyo edlalwayo ukuthi izinto zikhulunywe omunye umuntu ongesimember ye-National High Command, kodwa khona lapho asitshela izinto ezi-accurate ezenzekayo. uMary Pardee ukhulume kanje.
I want to speak about Tabaya Floyd. You've been very clear about what you think of Floyd Shivambu. So when the news came out that he is being removed as Secretary General, what was your first thought?
Look, the background of that matter was already clear. When you get ground forces that are saying hands off to someone before something has happened, it means they knew. And hence we wanted to correct, or I wanted to correct that with the video to say, you cannot say hands off before we even get the news. Now that they've already said hands off, we knew there's something within MK Party that the SG is going to be removed. When he was removed, I was excited. I was happy the way I was happy when he joined Mkhonto weSizwe. I was happy that he's not going to be part of us. On the ground from the political point of view, though, if they've taken him to Parliament, he can go there. But within the structures, it is exciting to see that Floyd Shivambu has been removed.
Let's speak about the differences. You're excited when he was announced. You say you're excited when he leaves. How did you go from, oh my goodness, this is a fantastic value add to the MKP on the ground as a secretariat, to, oh my goodness, thank goodness is out the door of the secretariat? How did you go from the one to the other? Those are very extreme ends.
Look, Floyd has nobody to blame but himself. I don't know what he has done within a structure at the high level. I'm not part of that, but I can tell you what is happening with provinces. One of the things that he did is that he followed the propaganda to the extent that he ended up piloting the things that he should not be involved in. If you come in as the Secretary General in any organization, you first engage with the people that are running, in those provinces. And he decided not to go that route and decided to write 2 letters to remove me from the legislature for no reason. I don't know him. And he decided to do that. And he was surely destabilizing the ground, because every time when there's an issue, his letters were all over the social media. So it was worrying to say, how do you get the Secretary General that is just taking a propaganda and run with it as if he knows he was there when Mkhonto Wesizwe started?
This is so interesting. But amagama kaMama uMary Phali athi uFloyd has no one else to blame but himself. Sizokhumbula ukuthi ngesikhathi uMary Phali exoshwa kuMkhonto Wesizwe Party kokuqala, Floyd wayengakabi imember uMkhonto Wesizwe Party. Ngiyaxakeka mina mangabe uma kubantu abahamba nepropaganda ngokusho kwakhe kuba uFloyd osala esekukhulumeni. Kuthiwani ngoNhlamulo Ndlela wayikhuluma nekuzane ne-Newsroom Africa. Ngiyanqena nje ukufaka ivideo yakhona la ngoba izosuke besiba inde kakhulu. Kodwa ngiyazibuza. Kodwa nje into ayishoyo ibaluleke kakhulu. Floyd has no one to blame but himself. So noma yinenzeka kuFloyd uthatha izinto kwasengathi wayekhona uMkhonto Wesizwe Party uqala. Siyakhumbula ukuthi uDuduzile kunama-email akawathumelile. Kune-email ayithu siyikhavile ivideo yakhona ngavike liphelele. Kune-email ayithumelile washo ukuthi wabhalela i-IEC ukuthi obani laba efuneka ba-include kwi-list. Futhi i-MK Party inama-members awu-8. Kodwa kunabantu already. So umbuzo othi uma ngabe bekuzongena uFloyd befuneka kuphume bani? uMary Phali kune-video futhi ayenzile. Kwakhona indaba asazi sazona. Ngicela uzwe la.
Comrade, uDeputy President weMkhonto Wesizwe Party, sithatha umuntu omusha. Sithatha umuntu ozogijima ivision yalaba bakhe.
Elikhulu liyeza liyanyelele emkhontweni. Uthi uMary Phali kuthi uDeputy President woMkhonto Wesizwe sizofaka umuntu omusha. Umuntu ozohamba nevision kababa wakhe. Bese memeza athi Duduzane Zuma. Siyawazi kumlando khona phakathi kukaMary Phali no Dr. John Hlophe. John Mandla kayisehlophe. Siyayazi ngoba kwamsolo ukuthi wakwafuna ukuthi alale naye. Ethi wakwambizele hotel. Lobo budlelwano nobo ayiphelile. Usethi ke kuyi-Deputy President bazofaka umuntu omusha ozogijima nevision kababa wakhe. Wayeseshaya wathi Duduzane Zuma. Luyaza likhulu liyanyelele emkhontweni. Sizowakhumbula amagama kaPrince Mashele. Athi leya akusi organization leya. It's a family thing. Angazi reyibiza ngani. Umbalulu ibiza ngestokfela. Mina ngeke ngize ngisho njalo, ngeke ngiyibize kanjalo. Kodwa why zonke lezi zinto labantu abazishilo bese kugcineni ziba iqiniso? Why? Kwenziwa yini?
To read. Go and look at the videos of the people who were with Zuma from the beginning. From when he was accused of rape, from when we made him president. I even dropped a tear at the Union building. And then subsequently we didn't support him. We were saying Kgalema must be president and all of that. Look at all those people who supported Zuma under those circumstances. Not a single one of them is still with Zuma. So once he uses you, he throws you very far. But there is one person who's always by Zuma, and Zuma has never dropped this person. It's the daughter, Duduzile Zuma.
Nansi article ebhalwe i-IOL. Ibhalwe ukuthi despite izethembiso ukuthi uFloyd uzoredeploya aye kwi-National Assembly. Kodwa uFloyd Shivamba ka-appeari kwi-list yabantu abaseparlament unless iparty irevisa ilist yayo iremove omunye umuntu okhona laphaya. NgoLwesithathu ekuseni MK Party before i-media briefing yabo baconfirmile ukuthi igama lika Floyd Shivambu alisubmithiwe for abantu abaya eParliament. Lokhu kuqhamuka emveni kweviki uFloyd edimothiwe kwiposition yakhe as uSecretary General we-political party emveni kokuba ehambile wavakashela isonto lika Shepherd Bushiri. uNhlamulo Ndlela ekhuluma ne-IOL uthe babhizi kakhulu benza sure ukuthi i-list yaseParliament isubmithiwe. uNdlela kudismissile amaclaim ukuthi uShivambu akekho kwi-list kodwa ulokhu kwenze intentional kodwa wathi basalandela i-process. Ngicela ukukhawuthela kamazwi akhe uthi yena sizama ukufast tracka le process no speaker siya amenda ilist yabantu afuneka babe seParliament at the moment. Amagama lawo kuthiwa ashiwo uNhlamulo Ndlela mayikhuluma ne-IOL. Bathi ke however ama-sources angaphakathi ku-MK Party aseyi-informile IOL ukuthi no kube khona impikiswano enkulu mayelana nodaba lokuredeploya kaFloyd Shivambu ukuthi aye eParliament. Amanye ama-members bowakuphikisa lokho futhi amanye ama-comrade uncomfortable ukusebenza naye after ama-changes awenzile emveni kuba appointiwe as uSecretary General. However uZuma yena beka insist ukuthi uFloyd funeka aye eParliament kodwa ke lokho akwenzeka. Enye futhi isource umthombo othembekile uphinde waqhubeka ukuthi noma nga-appointwa aye eParliament kodwa angeke aza last isikhathi eside ngoba ke ama-influential position ambuka njenge-threat. uShivambu beka aware ngayo yonke le risk uma ngabe appointwa la. So lokhu ke kushiwo ama-sources imithombo ethembekile yangaphakathi. Noma ke yena uFloyd Shivambu ethe uyakwamukela ukudemothwa kwakhe futhi njenge-discipline member Umkhonto weSizwe Party la deploye khona uzokwamukela lokho. Umuntu esimlindele futhi manje ukuthi uzosuswa laphaya umama u-advocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Phela usitshelile uMary Pardee into ayishoyo, uMary Pardee ubreakdown into abazishoyo ziyenzeka. So silindele lokho. Kodwa nje bengithi angikulethele le video ngikubuza umbuzo ukuthi ngabe Umkhonto weSizwe Party waqambela izwe lase South Africa manga na? Umbuzo wami nje ngizibuza wona. Ngiyazibuza namhlanje. uFloyd akekho kwi-list. Duduzile wasenda i-email. Sayifaka la, sayifaka i-email. Iphi chairs? Ngabe kuseyi-chairs yonke le? Mina ngiyazibuza ukuthi esinjani i-strategy othi uza naso kodwa kube khona abantu asebesazi bakhulume ngaso ku-TikTok. Kanti i-strategy awusikhandeli sona ukuthi siveleze surprise ngisona seyi-10 zakho. Sizwileke ukuthi uDeputy President kuzobe kumuntu omusha Duduzane Zuma. Asilindi. Kodwa uma kunje, hayi, cha. Ya mina ngiyajabula. Yonke lento eyenzakalayo yenzeke kusemanje. Ukuze ukuthi kushaye u2026 siwazi ukuthi kwenzakala noMkhonto weSizwe Party. Ngenza nalabo besebebeka ithemba labo bethi hayi mhlawumbe uMkhonto weSizwe Party bangawuvote nabe sebelahla ithemba ethi ngeke besavota. Hayi khululekani. Akhona ama-political parties maningi. I-right uMkhonto weSizwe Party usheshe uziveze kusemanje ukuthi cha awuwona lento abantu abecabanga ukuthi uyiwo ukuze abantu bezokwazi ukuvotela ama-political party azokwazi amile entweni ukuthi ayiyo. Amile nje entweni ukuthi thina siyilento lesirepresenta lokhu sifuna kwenzeka nje. Ngiyaqala ukubona i-political party disorganized kanje. Yo! Yazi uFloyd sasithi wafika kwenza umsebenzi omkhulu, wafika organize yaba nama structures, yaba ne constitution kodwa hayi. Yeah. Only time will tell. Angisho lutho kodwa silinde sibone ukuthi isiphetho sayo yonke lento kuyobe kuyini. Kubantu abese belahla ithemba, alingalahleki ithemba. Akhona ama-political parties. Mungawalalela ufunda imanifesto yawo uzoweza ukuthi akhona. So uma ngabe bobuye ngoba uyitshela ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party wona ozoba ngcono, uma umkhonto wesizwe party kuvela ukuthi ngempela lento akusi organization ngendlela abantu abecabanga ngayo, asivotele namanye ama political party. Ngiyabonga.